The incidence of coronary artery disease is very high in India. In fact, India bears almost 60% of coronary artery disease of global incidence. The reason for such a high incidence of coronary artery disease or heart attack disease is not known, but maybe changing lifestyle, environmental change, lack of exercise, lack of awareness, increased junk food usage, and maybe increased stress in the life. Put together, total change in the lifestyle has contributed for the high incidence of coronary artery disease in India. It is estimated that about 10% of Indian population are now suffer from the coronary artery disease. One most important factor as far as Indian scenario is concerned is that more young people are affected by this disease, and we see very commonly people in late 20s, in early 30s suffer from coronary artery disease and acute myocardial infarction or heart attack. And the number of patients who are affected in younger age group is very high in India. The peak incidence of coronary artery disease is seen in Indian population between age of 40 to and 60 years, compared to the peak age which we seen in Western world is between 60 and 80. So there is definitely a difference of 15 years to 20 years. Younger people suffer coronary artery disease more in India. The reason for this is still not known. Another important factor is that the various studies have shown that in the next 20 years, the incidence of heart disease, especially coronary artery disease, will increase from 10% now to 30%. In other words, about 1/3 of the Indian population are likely to suffer from coronary artery disease in another 20 to 30 years' time. That will affect the working hours, the output, and the economical challenge. It will pose a very big economical challenge for India. Heart disease increasing day by day. The change in the lifestyle need to be modified. We need to advise the public about the preventive aspect of coronary artery disease by various methods. The most important factors we have seen which can reduce or stabilize or even prevent coronary artery disease are: 1, to avoid mental stress; number 2, increase the exercise, especially 1 hour exercise per day is very important in preventing heart disease. Number 3 is reducing or total stoppage of tobacco use. Number 4 is regularization of the food habits and food contents. Then control of other diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and many other lipid abnormalities, and find out them early. How to prevent is another important aspect, is to give an awareness among the public to undergo early medical checkups, especially from the age of 30 years onwards, especially those who have got a high risk factors in them. If we do regular medical checkup once in a year or once in 2 years, these diseases can be found out in early stage. Once they are found out in early stage, we can modify their progress by subjecting these patients through medications or interventional procedures or surgical procedures. The most important and one of the very commonly done operation or treatment is bypass operation. Now let us see this patient, Mr. Mohammad Rafiq. He is just 42 years old. He suffered one heart attack already few months back, and in his case there are certain risk factors are there. One was that he was not having adequate exercise. Number two, he was a smoker, chronic smoker. These two factors are the high risk factors for in his case, and he should have been careful from the very young age to regularly undergo medical checkup, which he was never done. All of a sudden he developed severe chest pain and sweating associated with the severe fear of almost imminent death. He was rushed to the hospital where they gave first aid medical treatment, and then he was shifted to another major hospital where he was subjected to various investigation, including coronary angiogram, which showed several blocks in the arteries of his heart, and he has also suffered a heart attack which caused a certain amount of muscle damage of his heart, leading to reduced pumping power. This patient, we have suggested him to undergo bypass operation, and this you can see today how the bypass operation is done using the most modern beating heart technology, and this all the blocks can be removed without using the heart lung machine, what is known as a off pump bypass operation. Even though the coronary artery disease is increasing in India day by day, and even though more and more people are affected and more people suffer heart attack, especially younger age group, the availability of treatment methods, treatment facilities, especially for immediate revascularization, both interventionally as well as by surgical method, is freely available in India, and these facilities has helped a lot in reducing the morbidity as well as death rate from heart disease, especially coronary artery disease. Even today, the number of people who die from acute heart attack or acute myocardial infarction is still high, unfortunately, in India. About 30 to 35% of the people die within 2 to 3 weeks. This is a very important area. We are now concentrating how the death rate can be brought down in this particular segment by encouraging the patient to be brought to the hospital at the earliest sign of an heart attack, as well as early transport them to major hospitals so that the revascularization time, the revascularization can be done at the earliest by interventional procedures or by surgery. So the main method we have concentrating is creating a public awareness by conducting various programs like camps and using the media and print media and visual medias for public awareness and education programs. As well as we have increased now the ambulance services, which will be available at a very short notice whenever patient develop an acute heart attack or any chest pain or anything. Even a phone call is enough them to bring the medical facility in a short period of time to them or shift them to various major hospitals, so that they will get the primary as well as advanced treatment in a short period of time so that the death rate can be brought down. The scenario, in short, the scenario of coronary artery disease is really a serious one in India, as the coronary artery disease is increasing day by day and more people are affected. At the same time, the scenario of saving these patients also very good, as more and more hospitals, more and more doctors and more advanced facilities are coming up daily, and it is available for people in much freely than what it was many years back. In this way, it goes in a balanced way. One side, the disease is increasing. At the same time, in India, we are trying our level best to increase the facility to save these patients from death. So, over a period of time, maybe in another 15 to 20 years' time, the number of the patients, even though increasing, who suffer with the heart attack, at the same time, the facility for treating them also will be much more, and the very high-end advanced facilities will be available, which will reduce the death rate from coronary artery disease. So altogether, the scenario of treating coronary artery disease through surgical method as well as interventional procedures is very good in India, which can be utilized by other neighboring countries and also faraway countries, as these treatments are available at a much cheaper cost and at a much safer level, and the results are in par or even better than certain Western world. So in this episode, we will conclude with this. With the next episode, we will talk about more on the heart valve disease, which is very common in India as well as in many other parts of the world.